Yo people, what is up and welcome back. In today's video I will blow your minds away by showing you how we can get the Delta Executor for Roblox, which you can get for both iOS and Android devices within a few simple steps. That will all be possible, so let me guide you through each and every step that we need to do today on how we can get the Delta Executor. As you can see, fellas, I'm on a random game on Roblox so that I can show you that I have the Delta Executor, fellas. So you can see right here, you have a lot of new additions, already some preloaded scripts, but right here I have executed a script that you can get, of course, if you have the Delta Executor and add it later on. So I don't want to show what you can do with it, guys. I'm about to show you now each and every step that needs to be applied on how you can get the Delta Executor. And the gameplay part and figuring out what you can do with the scripts is up to you. So make sure to have your Wi-Fi on, do not use any type of VPN connections, and search for blockstweaks.com. On blockstweaks.com, you will scroll down a bit and find the Delta Executor. Then you will need to enter your username. So make sure to enter the correct one, guys, because you will need to be found right here. Tap on the next button and select your platform or the mobile device. After that, finalize it just by waiting right here. Wait for this protocol to be completed within 20-30 seconds, guys, and then you will be redirected to the verification process. So we reached 100% right here. Let's go to it. So solve this CAPTCHA as we need to proceed to that verification step. You will have a step-by-step tutorial for that last step that needs to be applied. Therefore, you will need to make sure to either complete one questionnaire by answering some simple questions, follow them up, answer them, or complete it by opening up an app, downloading it, and doing what it says from you in the description. So read it right here. For Northern Secure, you will need to start a free trial, something simple like that. So make sure to read it, guys, and complete it that way. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below if you have further questions. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Goodbye.